Okay, Jolo Angelo, let's learn your name. What's your name? Jolo Angelo Olivar Bernados. Pantarong. How old are you? How old, Bibi Jolo? How old is Bibi Jolo? I am two, duha. 2 years old. Very good. I am 2 years old. Where do you live, Bibi Jolo? Asa ka nagpudyo? Dani. I live in Sawang, Gindulman, Bohol. What's your father's name?
Mama.
Name ni Daddy.
Papa Louie.
Very good. My father's name. Yeah, my father's name is Lowell Bernados. What's your mother's name, Bibi Jolo? Imong mama? Mama Usi. Okay, my mother's name is Jocelyn Usi Olaybar. Very good. School na si Jolo, di pa? School. Naasa man ka school? Adto sa Gindulman Elementary School. Very good. Okay, let's learn kuan kay parang kuan ka na tanawon ka na unsay tanawon, Captain America or Spider-Man? Very good. Before ka mo watch og Spider-Man, mo recite sa kaog kuan numbers up to 10. 1 2 3. Oh, wait sa. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very good. Okay, how about alphabet? A. Ay na, kay parang patanawon kag Captain America. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, very good. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! Okay, let's watch Captain America.
No,
Okay.
Spider-Man.
Oh, Spider-Man. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.